Snowflakes floated gently over Rhyme Time Village.
Rhymee gazed outside, wondering what magic the snow might bring.
Something special was in the air.
Mama Luma wrapped Rhymee in warmth and love. Outside, Pip and Tippy felt the joy of Christmas in the snow. Benny and Bella were busy preparing something sparkly. Rhymee stepped into the snowy meadow with excitement in his heart. A quiet Christmas tree waited patiently under the stars. Tippy decorated carefully, slow and steady as always. Benny hopped around, filling the night with playful joy. Bella sprinkled the tree with gentle Christmas sparkle. Rhymee watched as the tree began to glow. Mama Luma hugged Rhymee, sharing a cozy Christmas moment. Papa Rhymeo smiled proudly at the glowing tree.
Christmas isn't about what you get. It's about who you share it with. And that was Rhymee's very first Christmas Eve.